Hello friends, today in this short tutorial we are going to study the different methods of goodwill during admission of a partner. So in the first place, what is goodwill? As we all know, goodwill refers to money value of business reputation. Every business organization has a name, fame, reputation. Ultimately, this name, fame, reputation of the business is what helps the business to earn super profits over and above the competitors. That is known as goodwill. Let us say there are two partners who are undertaking a partnership business. They have taken lot of efforts to establish the business, and now a third partner is admitted into the partnership business. Obviously, the profit which was earlier shared by two partners will now be shared between three partners. This means the old partners will sacrifice their part of profits in order to share their profit with the new partner, and accordingly, during admission, new partner brings goodwill and compensates the old partners for their sacrifice. So from accounting point of view, there are four different methods of adjustment of goodwill. Under the first method, goodwill is brought in cash. So when new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash, the journal entry will be cash bank account debit to goodwill. Friends, पैसा आ रहा है, business में cash आ रहा है, so debit what comes in. So cash account will be debited and goodwill will be credited. Under second step, this goodwill will be distributed between old partners in their sacrifice ratio. पहले गुडविल को हमने क्रेडिट किया था, अब गुडविल को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, हम गुडविल को डेबिट करेंगे, and this goodwill belongs to old partners. So as good as partners are the beneficiaries, partners will be credited. So if you observe, goodwill account debit, goodwill account credit will get cancelled. Ultimately, what remains is cash bank account debit to old partner's capital account. If we try to understand the ledger posting, the first entry is cash bank account debit to goodwill. So cash के debit में लिखा to goodwill, accordingly goodwill के credit में लिखा by cash bank. This is the double effect. In the second step, this goodwill will be distributed between old partners. So in this example, goodwill account debit, A and B are the old partners, and I have assumed a sacrifice ratio of 3:1. So accordingly, goodwill account debit to partners capital 7,500 and 2,500 will be distributed between A and B respectively. Goodwill के debit में लिखा partners capital, so partners के credit में आएगा by goodwill. This is the simple method when goodwill is brought in cash. In second method, when goodwill is brought in cash and withdrawn by old partners. As you can see, the first part remains same. So goodwill is brought in cash will remain same. So cash bank account debit to goodwill. First entry will remain same. This goodwill will be distributed between old partners. Sacrifice ratio में distribute करेंगे. So second entry also remains same. Goodwill account debit to partners capital account. As we had seen, goodwill account debit, goodwill account credit will get cancelled. Ultimately, what remains is cash account debit, cash is in the business, and partners are credited, they are the beneficiaries. So in this method, we have one extra step. This cash will be withdrawn by the old partners. In other words, this entry is to be reversed. Cash goes out, credit what goes out, and partners are the receiver, so debit the receiver. Accordingly, the journal entry is old partners capital or current account debit to cash bank account. So yes, I repeat, the first two entries will remain same, only the third entry where partners are withdrawing cash will be shown. So in the ledger format, if we see, nothing remains. Accordingly, the first entry, cash के डेबिट में लिखा टू गुडविल, गुडविल के क्रेडिट में लिखा बाय कैश. This is the first entry. Then this goodwill is distributed between partners. So goodwill के डेबिट में टू partners capital, partners के क्रेडिट में बाय goodwill. In the last step, this amount is withdrawn by the partners. So partners capital account debit to cash bank account. Partners के डेबिट में लिखा टू कैश बैंक एंड कैश बैंक के क्रेडिट में बाय पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. Here I have assumed 50% goodwill is withdrawn. So goodwill distributed was 7,500. A ने withdraw किया है 3,750, 50%. Same way B को मिला है 2,500, B ने withdraw किया है 1,250. And accordingly, goodwill account, cash account debit was 10,000. Cash account has been now credited by 5,000. In other words, 50% of the amount has been withdrawn by old partners. Now, under the third method, when goodwill is raised in the books, as the name indicates, goodwill is raised, which means new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. It is artificially raised or brought in the books of accounts. So accordingly, the first entry that we used to pass, cash to goodwill, वो नहीं आएगा because cash does not come in the business. However, the second entry remains same. Goodwill account debit to old partners capital और current account, ये entry हमें वापस पास करना है. The only difference is, under the first method it was based on sacrifice ratio, जबकि under this method we distribute in the old ratio. Your sacrifice ratio does not have any significance. So entry is goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. If you observe, in the earlier two methods, goodwill account was debited and credited. Consequently, goodwill account was closed. Here we have only debited goodwill, and accordingly there is a balance which will be ultimately transferred to balance sheet. So under this method, goodwill will appear on the balance sheet asset side. So if we see the ledger posting, our first entry was goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Goodwill के डेबिट में लिखा partners capital, so partner के क्रेडिट में आएगा by goodwill. I have assumed old ratio of 4:1. So 10,000 is divided as 8,000 and 2,000. As you can see, goodwill account was debited. It is not credited. Accordingly, there is a balance carried down, and this balance carried down will appear in the balance sheet on the asset side. This is our third method when goodwill is raised. In the fourth method, when goodwill is raised and written off. So the first entry for raising will remain same. So goodwill account debit to old partners capital or current account. Goodwill is now to be written off. It is to be closed. However, it is closed in the new books of accounts. Accordingly, it is closed in the new ratio. पहले गुडविल को डेबिट किया था, अब हमें गुडविल को बंद करना है. अगर हमें गुडविल को बंद करना है तो गुडविल अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. However, this goodwill will be distributed between all partners. Accordingly, the journal entry is all partners capital or current account debit to goodwill account. Again, if you observe, goodwill account debit, goodwill account credit. So goodwill account is closed. The amount is, however, adjusted between old partners and new partners. Let us understand this with the help of the ledger post. First entry, goodwill account debit, A and B are the old partners. Old ratio is 3:1. So 7,500, 2,500. Goodwill account debit to partners capital. So partners capital की credit में लिखा by goodwill, which means A should get 7,500, B should get 2,500. Now since this business is to be continued by A, B and C, which means this goodwill should be compensated by all partners. Accordingly, our second entry is goodwill to be credited between all partners. So goodwill के credit में लिखा है by partners capital account and partners के debit में लिखा है to goodwill account. The only difference is here there were only two partners, so it was old ratio. यहाँ पे there are all partners, so that is to be written off in new ratio. I have assumed 2:2:1. So 10,000 is divided as 4,000, 4,000 and 2,000. In other words, A has to contribute 4,000, B has to contribute 4,000 and C has to contribute 2,000. So in a nutshell, if I summarize, A should get 7,500. However, A has to contribute 4,000, which means A को net benefit जो मिल रहा है, that is 3,500. B should get 2,500, whereas B is debited by 4,000. Here, if you observe, he has to bring 4,000, whereas he has to get 2,500, which means 1,500 B should bring in business, and C is debited. C has not been credited, which means C has to contribute 2,000. So if I summarize, B 1,500 रुपया लेके आएगा, C 2,000 rupees लेके आएगा. 1,500 plus 2,000, 3,500. They both are contributing and paying to A, because A should get 3,500, and this is now what is reflected here under method 5. When goodwill is adjusted in partners capital account, as I said, B से लेना है 1,500, so B account debit 1,500. C से लेना है 2,000, so C's capital account debit 2,000, and this amount is to be paid to A. So to A's capital account 3,500. This is the journal entry which will be passed when goodwill is privately adjusted between partners capital account without opening goodwill account. So if we reflect in the ledger will look like this. B capital account debit, so B के debit में to A's capital account 1500. C account debit, so C के debit में to A's capital account 2000, which means B and C से लेना है. A को देना है, so A के credit में by B capital account by C capital. So friends, if we summarize, methods of goodwill can be broadly classified into two categories. Under the first category, premium method, goodwill is as good as premium, which the new partner is bringing and distributing between old partners by way of cash. So method 1 says when goodwill is brought in cash. Method 2 says when goodwill is brought in cash and distributed between old partners. It is withdrawn by old partners. And as we have seen, this is to be done in sacrifice ratio compulsory. However, when the new partner does not have cash, he agrees to raise goodwill in the books of account. That is the second category, where it is based on valuation of goodwill. So it is valuation method. So method 3 is when goodwill is raised, and method 4 is when goodwill is raised and written off. And as we have seen, this part is to be compulsorily done in old ratio. Moral of the story: under premium method, it is compulsory to distribute goodwill between old partners in sacrifice ratio, whereas under valuation method, goodwill is to be distributed between old partners in old ratio. Friends, I hope you have understood the entire part of this tutorial. If you have enjoyed and learned anything from this particular video, I request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further education related content. Thank you.